ENTROPIE presents the ENTROMATIK EBC 701 Steam Boiler Control System. This control system allows full control of both steam boiler life support and safety systems. The existing automation functions provide all that is needed to ensure the reliable and fail-proof operation of a steam boiler. In this video, we will consider the main interface of the control system. We will learn how to understand and use the information messages and pictograms with confidence. The main screen of the ENTROMATIK EBC 701 control system consists of 5 areas. The system area contains the navigation elements to go to the control system function menu. The process area contains the navigation elements to go to the boiler settings menu. The information area contains the elements indicating the system state. The current parameters area displays the current boiler operation parameters. The central area displays the mimic diagram of the steam boiler. Let's analyze each area in more detail. The information area contains the following indication elements displaying the current state of the control system. Boiler state indication. The area can contain the following values. The boiler is in automatic mode. The boiler has been stopped by an operator's action. The boiler has been stopped because of an emergency. The boiler has been switched to manual by the operator's action. The next pictogram displays the system control method. Control can be implemented either from a remote workstation or locally from the operator's panel. The role of the boiler in the cascade is determined by the following pictogram. The letter M indicates the boiler is leading and performs the master's role. When any digits are displayed against the boiler background, it indicates that the boiler is slave, and the number indicates its location in the cascade. The letter R indicates that the boiler has been withdrawn from the cascade because of an emergency or an operator's action. The CAN pictogram displays the state of the internal data transmission network between automation systems. It can contain the following values: communication, no communication, transmission errors. The next area under consideration is the area of going to the system process parameters. This area contains the navigation elements to the next automation settings menus. Steam superheater setup and control menu, main steam valve setup menu, economizer operating parameters control menu, periodic blowdown menu, level control system setup menu, continuous blowdown system menu, and burner operation setup menu. Depending on the operating mode of the adjustable function, the navigation buttons dynamically change their display image. For example, when one of the systems is switched to manual mode, the hand sign will be displayed on the transition button. When the system is stopped by the operator's actions, the stop sign will be displayed on the button. The system area accommodates the system parameter elements. 1. The button for switchover to system parameters. 2. Dynamically variable button for going to the breakdown logbook. If a breakdown appears on the logbook, the button icon will blink red. 3. The button for obtaining information about the system, build version, and software. These 2 icons indicate the presence of power supplied to the control circuits. Let us jump to the next area. We can see the current parameters. It displays the following current parameters in real time: level in the boiler, pressure in the boiler, current electrical conductivity of boiler water, exhaust gas temperature, volumetric steam flow rate, steam temperature, mass flow rate of steam, and feed water flow rate. The parameters related to steam temperature and flow rate are displayed when there is a connection to the saturation steam metering unit. Below are the indicators of main emergency situations, which display the current state of safety systems. Minimum level 1, minimum level 2, maximum level, maximum pressure. let us go to the central main area of the control system, which displays the conventional schematic diagram of the steam boiler. On the diagram, we can see the following elements of the steam boiler piping. Let us consider the instrumentation and control equipment. It includes TK, steam temperature sensor, QK, steam flow rate sensor, TG, exhaust temperature sensor, LH, maximum level electrode, LL, minimum level electrode, EK, conductivity sensor, pH, maximum pressure sensor, PK, pressure sensor, and QP, feed water flow rate sensor. In case of a break in communication accident, the sensor will be backlit in red. Next, we see the valves being displayed. VK, main steam valve. VL, feed water valve. VE, continuous blowdown valve. And VP, periodic blowdown valve. In addition, the diagram displays the boiler number in the cascade. The boiler operation sign is made in the form of a torch in the boiler firebox. The indicator of the state of the safety circuit is located in the upper corner. We have considered the main elements and have learned how to navigate in the main menu of the interface of the ENTROMATIK EBC 701 steam boiler control system. Thank you for your attention. See you next time.